Nobody drinks this stuff, drink it. It's fucking good for you. This is not an ad, but you should drink it. Here's my beautiful girlfriend. Just booch on it. You say boocha. You don't, the K-O-M is silent, right? So you gotta say boocha. But it's good stuff, guys, I promise. 5 calories per can. Like culture, vegan, unpasteurized. Oh. Oh damn, I forgot to swirl the can. You're supposed to, when the tab is not popped or whatever, you're supposed to tip the can upside down. I'm not gonna do it right now, but you would like to fucking see that. Just joking. But anyways, today consists of fuck all and a whole lot of fucking nothing. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna see what today's gonna be. I don't even really know what this video is gonna be, but we got a request. Not a really, it's not a huge request, but one of the viewers likes, can appreciate a good burp, so you're gonna see some more of that shit in this video. Right on. Fuck, I didn't mean to re-record. Jesus. Check this out. So, long story short, my dumbass forgot potatoes down here. And they got all little roots and stuff on them, so I'm just gonna keep them. They're good to keep. I got cat-like reflexes. Or am I a cat? Who the fuck knows? Anyways, there's this here fucking... I put a potato on the ground, and that was one potato. And there's like 4 long stalks. So there's a good chance I'm probably going to have a potato or maybe one in there. One potato at least growing. Hear me out, hear me out. Green onion. Green onion. And that's about, this is long. It's like about a foot and some. I had to actually harvest that. And here's another green onion actually right here. Another one coming. Another one is coming out right here. And that's a corn. But he probably won't grow very long because his buddy was right here, I think, and he died. So don't think you're lasting long, bud. No, I'm just kidding. He probably will. Just thought I'd show that because I planted some potatoes there in the last video up at the fireplace on the pond. So I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what I got going on just here at home. And this is the other green onion that I'm growing hydroponically, technically at homes. You just take any type of container like this. This is a sunflower actually. I'm just, you know, experimenting. Little sunflower. Starting to look good. Little hairs and stuff on it. Come on, focus. This one here. Yeah, there you go. See? And yeah, green onion. This one here is pretty healthy, very green. And then there's this big ears, and this big ears, and this big ears, and then that big ears, and then ears everywhere. Oh! These are my girls. my girlies. They're all females. This is the biggest. This is Taupie. Taupie or something like that. It's French for like the color she is. She's like a brownish gray. And this is. Come on, line up, everybody, line up. Line up. Come out, Sindel. Come out. Okay, so this is Panda. That's Sindel right here. Come on, Sindel. She's a little scared. This is Monkey. Kind of looks like Ratatouille. Let me see her belly. See her belly? She looks like Ratatouille. And then this is Taupie. She's the oldest. She's the biggest one. Hi, girl. Hi. This one here is always climbing. Hey. That's my Band-Aid. I got cut at work today. Don't chew me up. Come on. Come up. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Come on, girl. No? Alright. Whatever. But yeah. This is the Munchkins. And we also have this little Munchkin down here. Bunny. 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 Where are you two? Bunny. There she is. She's like, you're making me, you're waking me up, Dad. And meet Bunny. This is the dwarf hamster that we own. She's too adorable. Yes, I'll take you out in a bit. She tried to bite me. Ow! You, you little shit. Why do you try to bite me every time? Is it because I woke you up? You fucker. Yeah, that's right. Oh, don't bite me again. Good girl. She bit me at first because she was like, you're an arsehole. I thought you were like my friend or something. And then you bit me. It's so cute. Yeah, well, that's the animals. The animals. Ow, my toe. These well, they're up all hours of the night and into everything. They like eat all the time. Super hungry. They eat a lot of raw oats. Fucking feed them like pretty much everything. Lettuce, chicken bones. They love chicken bones. Chicken bones is actually really good for their teeth because that's like a big part of the like who they are, I guess. They're nibbling. So, oh, almost tripped up. I like kicked this and I almost fell. No. I said, oh, babe comes out with a bunch of freezies. Oh god, there's a car. Wait now. Heading to the fucking soccer field. I don't know if you guys really noticed in the last video or two, there's a soccer field down below the hill that me and Todd went to. Took a flashlight. Don't really need it, but It blinks, so it's a fucking, well, no. Ouch. Just look at this. You could charge, put a micro SD, there's a microphone there, aux cord, and it's, ow, what the fuck, did I just get cut? Ow. Yeah, and you can make it as, it's a radio as well. It's pretty cool. If I can, like, I'll turn it on. And it's Bluetooth, obviously. Or wait, maybe it's dead. Oh crap. Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode.
No, it was already on. Fuck it. Shit, son. Camera's pretty bright. Kind of hard on the eyes, honestly. We're gonna see how much noise we can make. We in the soccer field. Yeah, yeah. Wait, is it still? Okay, just making sure it's recording. So yeah, drop down to the soccer field for a laugh. Can't really see anything, but that's a soccer net. And there's like one way over that way, but we don't really need to go over there. Couple benches. Good place to tie your shoe. Check those bad boys out. Yeah. Tie those shoes for me. I'm just joking, I got it. I could do it myself. Are you ready for some noise? I heard an echo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K. Oh. Get it? Do. More benches. Green and red. Green again. Oh my god, is there another bench? There's not. Should have took my soccer ball and never thought about it. Oh, ambulance passing by. Ambulance. The stadium's just up there. I'll maybe go, I'll probably go there one day. Go up for a walk. See what it's like. Bless you. People's probably like, why is, oh god, I almost dropped my phone. People's probably like, why is there like a light pointed at a guy into the soccer field? But who cares? Doing this for you guys just because I'm bored. Well, I'm not, well, I guess you could say I'm bored, but I got a job. Can't really record at my job. I mean, I could record going to my job with my hat on and shit, but can't really record while working, you know? This is a big ass fucking net. Holy shit. I didn't realize how big this was. Whoa. I'm 6'2", and I can just barely almost touch that. This bitch is on wheels. I would say this should be on wheels. Holy crap. It's fucking big. Dude. New style of beatboxing. Gotta be careful. Could be benches anywhere. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more different of videos and stuff. I guess like it's just gonna be me being myself, obviously, but it's gonna be a lot of camping videos, probably like, you know, a few other videos like that. Whoa, keep dropping, you guys. I'm dropping you like every video. You're gonna have bad bruises. Now you're upside down. Sorry about that. Back at it again with the white bands. Okay, yeah, anyway. Let's go. Let's go back to the house. But yeah, like I said, this video is kind of random. Oh shit, I'm running into a hill. This video is kind of just random, I guess. Not really any point to it, but besides like the burping. Burping's pretty cool, I guess. But what I'm gonna do for next video, I think, is going to be a I don't know. What do you guys think? There's limits. I guess there is limits to things, but I don't mind. Oh shit, almost wiped out again. Going in the woods and building a lean-to, because the way things are going right now, I can I mean, some people could honestly I guess people could, what am I trying to say? People could use that information, I guess. If that makes sense. Of course it does, DJ. What the fuck are you talking about? I'm gonna go show you guys storage unit here in my building. Never dropped you that time. Oh shit. I'm clumsy, man. Light switch. Yeah. Old TV. Look at this bad boy. Cord cut off it. Oh, what the fuck? Who would throw that out? That's nice. I'm taking that. Fuck yeah. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Honestly, that's a cool jar too. I like jars as well. I don't know if anybody really likes taking jars and keeping them. Oh, what the fuck? There's someone got like the bottom out of it. That's a bit different. Haven't seen that before. Yeah. Show you. This is mine. Yeah. That's about it. I'm gonna take this bad boy. Probably actually paint him, give him some colored eyes and paint his antlers a different color. That's pretty cool. That's my condition. I don't know why anybody threw that out. You could sand that down and paint it. Deadly. Yes, some people throw their stuff out, but some things aren't always like actual trash, you know what I mean? Like this ain't, like, that's not really trash, honestly. It's cool though, I like it. Keep that shit. Scooter. Smells like pork chops. Look at that fridge. It's a little messy in here, but I'm home. Oops. Holy. Glitching. Look what I found.
Oh, it's neat.
I found it downstairs. It's actually stick through. It's all nicely wood.
Yeah.
Plane just took off. So, live right next to an airport. Yeah, yeah. And a prison. That's the prison right there. With all those big ass fucking lights on.
See, cutie.
Why?
Because I was like, Dave's recording again. I just found it really cute. Are we not recording me?
Yeah. Am I'm recording.
I was like poopy.
You're always gorgeous. Shush.
I look poopy.
You smell like poopy. You should say that. I don't know if anybody else has that problem with their girlfriend. He always thinks they're not good looking. My girlfriend's very gorgeous. The plane is on its way. I don't know where it's going, but safe travels, friends. It's out here, I think. Yeah, right here. You're welcome. All right, bye again.